morning, dear students. In today's class we'll see again one more kind of joint probability distribution problem, and here also again the concept is same. We need to prepare a table, then we need to find the expectation of x and y separately, then xy, then we'll check what is the standard deviation of x and y, then we'll see what is the covariance and correlation of given x and y. Now the question is, a fair coin is tossed thrice. The random variable x and y are defined as follows. So here, see, in this question what they have given, they have not given any table value. They have given this problem in word. So the given word problem we have to convert in terms of table, then we need to proceed for the solution here. So they have defined what is x. X is nothing but 0 or 1 according as head or tail occurs on the first toss. When we toss a coin, if 0 means head, means if head comes we'll say it is 0, and when tail comes we'll call it is what here 1 occurs on the first toss. Okay, then y is nothing but number of heads, means in tossing a coin, so how many heads are coming, that is going to be counted by using y. So we need to find determine the distribution of x and y, that is table for x and y, then determine the joint distribution table, means complete table we need to prepare with sum of f of x and g of y, then obtain the expectation of x and y, then xy, and also we need to find a standard deviation of x and y using variance formula, then compute variance and correlation of x and y. Now solution. So a sample space S and the association of random variable x and y is given by the following table. See, I want to go back here. A fair coin is tossed thrice, means what is the sample space we need to write first here. So I have prepared a table. So sample space means if a coin is tossed thrice, we will get what the results, what here sample space, head is possible, then head tail is possible, head tail is possible, head tail is possible, tail head is possible, then tail head tail is possible, tail head is possible, then tail is possible. So these are total how many outcomes? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, total 8 results if you toss a coin thrice. So these are the first time if you so these are the cases, second time, third time, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth time. So we need to define for x here. What x says here, if 0 or 1 occurs as a head or tail occurs on the first toss, means these are the first toss, this is the first toss, means first value what is there, that is the first toss here. So first toss, if head comes we have to write 0, if tail comes we have to write 1. So here head is coming, so what I will write, so here head is coming, I will write 0, head is coming, I will write 0, head is coming, I will write 0, head is coming in the first, that is 0, tail is coming first means I will write 1 as per the instruction, tail is coming I will write first 1, tail is coming first means I will write 1, tail is coming first I will write 1. Now what says for y here, y says what here, number of head in each toss, means it has how many times it is tossed, 3 times. So how many heads are there? 3. So 3, 1 2 3, so 3 you mention. So 2 head, write 2, 1 2, 2 head, write 2, then here only 1 head, write 1, 2 heads, write 2, 1 head, write 1, then 1 head, write 1, no head, 0. So this is a table according to what here given instruction. When a fair coin is tossed thrice, then x denote 0 or 1 when if first place is head, or if it is not then we have to write as a 1 for tail, then number of heads, then we need to see what is the next table for the values of x and y. So here I want to just see, this is the values of x and y. So here, so the lowest value for x is 0 and highest value is 1. So I can say that, so x takes the values as this x value. So I can say that it is xi, and it takes the value what here, so 0 and 1. So x only take what here, 0 and no other values are there. Similarly, value for capital Y, that is a set of yj, which is nothing but, you see the values of y, lowest value is 0, then next value is 1, the next value is 2, the next value is 3. So I can say that y takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3 and 0, 1. So you can see that in the table we write this one as, so the probability distribution of x and y form. So I have taken once again the x value 0, 1, y value 0, 1, 2, 3. So now I need to check for what here, results. So for this I will use the table. Now just see, we need to check the probability of capital X is equal to 0. Capital X is equal to 0, you go to the X column. So how many zeros are there? So we have total 8 outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8, 4 are 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 are 0. So therefore 4 upon 8 is 1 by 2. So P of X equal to 1. So how many out of 8? How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is also what here? 4. So I can say that this is also 1 by 2. Similarly, y is equal to 0. Means you come here. So how many in out of 8? How many zeros are there? Only 1. So the probability of y equal to 0 is 1 by 8. Then y is equal to 1. How many y's are there out of 8? So out of 8 we have 1, 2. So 2 upon 8. So which is nothing but 1 upon 4. Next, y is equal to 2. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3. So out of 8 we have 3, 2 here. And similarly, y is equal to 3. So we have only 1, 3. So I will write 1 upon 8. So this is a probability. When x is 0, it is 1 by 2. When x is 1, it is 1 by 2. When y is 0, it is 1 by 8. When y is 1, 1 by 4. Y is 2, 3 by 8. Y is 3, 1 by 8. So this value we have to write as a marginal value. Just see here. So x take the values what here? 0, 1. So when x is 0, okay, when x is 0, it is 1 by 2. When x is 1, it is 1 by 2. Similarly, y takes the value out here? 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. When y is 0, it is 1 upon 8. When y is 1, it is 1 upon 4. When y is 2, it is 3 upon 8. When y is 3, it is 1 upon 8. So in this way, so this is a marginal distribution. So with the help of this marginal distribution, we will go for a probability distribution table now. So y values are taking what here? 0, 1, 2, 3. X values are only 0 and 1. Then respective marginal values for 0. So I will write here. So this is 1 by 8, 1 by 4, 3 by 8, 1 by 8. Similarly, for x values for 0 and 1, it is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. You check 1 by 8, 1 by 4, 3 by 8. So 1. So here it is 2 by 8 actually. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. So here small y is equal to 1 r according to table. So if you see, it is how many ones? 1, 2, 3. 3 ones are there. So just I will update here. It is 3 by 8. So this is 3 by 8 itself. So here it will become what here? 3 upon 8. fine. So this is also become what here, 3/8. So here what happens actually, so when y is equal to 1 means 1 are how many, 1 2 3, so that count, so just please recorrect it. So once we got this case, so we can say that, so this is a distribution table, so just corrected. So 1/8, 3/8, 3/8, 3, 1/8. So 1/8, 3/8 will become 4/8. 4/8 plus 3/8 is how much here again, 7/8 plus 1/8 is 8/8, and if you add the left and both vertically and horizontally, the result is coming 1. So this should compulsory satisfy. Now we have to fill this data according to the formula as. Now we need to fill these values, that is J11 we supposed to get the answer, J12, J13 means joint of first value of x, first value of y, joint probability of first value of x but second value of y, first value of x, second value means third value of y, first value of x, fourth value. Similarly we have to complete this middle bracket now. So by using the formula Jij, means J stand for joint probability here, Jij is equal to P of x is equal to xi, y is equal to yj. So where this x values will take 0 and 1, and this y value will take what here, 0 1 2 3. Okay, now I taken the formula, J11 is nothing but P of x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So here, so how to write the joint probability of 1 1, we'll see now. Now dear students, so to get this J11, so I want to refer this distribution sample space distribution table what we have prepared. So what they are telling, so x should be 0 and y should be 0. So you check, x should be 0, y is 3, 0 but 2, 0 but 2, 0 but 1. So like that, so we don't have, means here value of x should be also 0 and y should be 0. So there is no such kind of probability x is 0, y is 0 at once. So at that time, so here the J11 will be 0. Hope you understood. Now I will continue same. Next, when x is 0, y is 1, means we need to work out from the table. So like that, this table, when x is 0, y is 0, when x is 1, y is 1, when x is 0, y is 2, then x is 0, y is 3. So already I had taken this in a ready-made form. So now when x is 0, y is 2. So x is 0, y, so x is 0, y is 2 here one time, and any other time x is 0, y is 2. So how many times we have? 2 times. So the here 2 times out of how many? 8. So it is x is 0, x is 0, y is 2. X is 0, y is 2 means it is 2/8, which is nothing but 1/4. Now x is 0, y is 1. X is 0, x should be first 0 and y is 1. So such cases we have only what here? 1. When x is 0, y is 1, we have only one case. So I will write out of 8 only 1. Out of 8 only 1. Here x is 0, y is 2 is out of 2, out of 8 only 2. So next I will continue. I need an answer of what here? When x is 0, y is 3. X is 0, y is 3. We have only one case. X is 0, y is 3. Only one case out of 8. So out of 8 only 1. Out of 8 only 1. The next is what here? When x is 1, y is 0. X is 1, y is 0. We have only one case. So therefore, so it is also 1/8. Now x is 1, y is 1. X is 1, y is 1. One time and 2 times. So 2/8. Next is x is 1, y is 2. X is 1, y is 2. We have only one case. So it is 1/8. X is 1, y is 3. X is 1 but y is 3. There is no such case, then it is 0. So in this way we have to complete the table. So J11 value is 0, J12 value is 1 by 8, J13 is 1 by 4, J14 is 1 by 8, J21 is 1 by 8, J22 is 2 by 8, J23 is 1 by 8, and J24 is 0. So these all values we have to substitute in this table now. So these all value will substitute and will complete the distribution table for x and y now. So what J11 answer we got? 0. Now J12 is 1 by 8. J13 we got the answer 1 by 4. J14 we got the answer 1 by 8. J21 we got the answer 1 by 8. From this you have to refer this. These all values we have to enter. Then J22 we got the answer as 1 by 4. Then J23 we got 1 by 8, and last one is 0. You just check whether these values are correct or no. How you will come to know? 0 plus 1 by 8, 1 by 8. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4, it will become 3 by 8. So this will match. If you once this table is constructed, so you can see that addition of this will be same, these two addition will be same. Addition will be what here? 1 by 8 plus 0 is 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 is 1 by 2. So similarly addition of these you will get 1 by 2. So this completes out here second option, joint distribution of x and y. Now we need to find expectation of x, then expectation of y, then expectation of xy, and standard deviation, correlation we need to find here. So from the table, so we have completed. Then we need to go for mu x, that is expectation of x. The formula is summation of I xi into f of xi. So here expectation means we need to check this 0 into 1 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2. You write it here. So that is 0 into 1 by 2 and 1 into 1 by 2. So the resultant is what here? 1 by 2. So this is the answer of mu x or expectation of x. So similarly we need to calculate for expectation of y, that is mu of y. So from the table 0 into 1 by 8. Next 1 into 1 3 by 8. Next is 2 into 3 by 8 and 3 into 1 by 8. So on simplification you will get this result as 3 by 2. Now we will calculate the expectation of xy, that is summation of I, summation of j, xi, yj, j of ij. So we will fill this and we will calculate. But just see here, from the main table we need to work out here. So it is nothing but 0 into 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into anything is what here? 0. So first row completely becomes 0. So I will write directly here. So this is also 0, 0, 0, 0. Next second row, 1 into 0 is 1 into 0 is 0. So 1 into 0 into 1 by 8 is 0 again. The next remaining values we need to calculate, that is 1 into 1 into 1 by 4. Similarly the next term, so we get the second 1 into 2 into 1 by 8, and last term is again 0. So on simplification, expectation of xy will get it as how much here? 1 by 2. So mu of y is 3 by 2. Mu of x is, we got previously, it is 1 by 2. Now mu of y is 3 by 2 and expectation of xy is 1 by 2. By using this we will go for the standard deviation, that variance. With the help of the variance we will go for that. So before finding standard variation we need to calculate expectation of x square y, so which is nothing but, so on calculation expectation of x square is 0 square into 1 by 2 plus 1 square into 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2. So therefore, so we'll substitute here the values. So expectation of x square we got 1 by 2 minus mu x we got already, it is, so it is 1 by 2. So we have to square it, that is 1 by 2 whole square. So The final result is what here? It is 1 by 4, that is standard deviation of x is 1 by 4. So therefore variance of x is what here? 1 by 4. So standard deviation of x will be what here? Square root of 1 by 4, which is nothing but standard deviation is square root of 1 by 4 is 1 upon 2. So next we need to calculate for expectation of y. So I have taken here, so x values are these are the values here from the table we need to see. So 0 square into 1 by 8 plus 1 square into 3 by 8 plus 2 square into 3 by 8 plus 3 square into 1 by 8, which one I have taken here. So the resultant you will get 3. So therefore we need to apply the values here. So expectation of y square will got 3 minus mu y. We got mu y how much here? 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2. We have to square it. That is, it will become 3 by 2 whole square. So which is nothing but 3 by 4. So therefore standard deviation of x will be what here? So therefore standard deviation of y will be square root of 3 by 4 so which is nothing but root 3 upon 2. So therefore we got standard deviation of x is 1 upon 2 and this is root 3 by 2. So we need to finalize here. So covariance, so expectation of xy we got directly result, it is nothing but 1 by 2. Mu of x is minus, so this resultant mu of x into mu of y is nothing but it will become 3 by 4. So which is nothing but minus 1 by 4. So covariance formula we know it. So covariance of xy into standard deviation of x, standard deviation of y, covariance is minus 1 upon 4 divided by standard deviation of x. Just now we got it is 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So resultant is what here? So on simplification we will get this one as minus 1 upon root 3. So therefore in this way we need to calculate the covariance and correlation. So but here the remaining concept is same, only thing is that so how to construct a table from the word example, that is very important here. Okay.